We've just acquired this Mercedes. It's the E350 AMG Sport. Absolutely stunning condition in gleaming black. Unmarked smoked chrome alloy wheels throughout. It's got park distance control. Just notice Michelin tyres all the way around as well. Boot is in immaculate condition. Half leather Alcantara trim. It's a sport spec. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial seats. Electric seats rather. You have paddle shift on the gearbox, satellite navigation, heated seats, climate control. It's done 103,083 miles. It's got Bluetooth as well, sat nav, radio. Video system as well. It is loaded with extras. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. DJH full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For requiring further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.